If there is an ignition problem in your motorcycle, you must check the battery. In case it needs a replacement, follow these simple and easy steps. The only tool you will need is a general screwdriver. It is available in your motorcycle toolkit. Additionally, you'll also need a 10mm tubular box spanner, a battery, and a multimeter. These are available at an authorized Royal Enfield service center near you. First, turn off the kill switch and ignition switch. Remove the right-hand side panel cover by opening the lock. Now loosen the two battery terminal clamps by using the screwdriver. Loosen both the battery holding clamp hex bolts by using the 10mm tubular box spanner. Remove the holder bracket carefully so that the battery can be accessed. Remove the battery from its housing and inspect it for the right voltage of 12 volts. Now fix the battery in its outer cover carefully and put it back in the housing. Align the battery by holding the clamps on either side and tightening both the bolts with the 10mm tubular box spanner. Now tighten the battery's positive and negative terminals along with the clamps by using the screwdriver. Next, cover both the terminal clamps fully, black on negative and red on positive terminals respectively. Align the right-hand side panel to the bolts and lock it firmly. Check if the battery is working properly by switching on the ignition. Always remember, disconnect the negative or black cable first, followed by the positive or red cable while removing the battery connections. Check the battery periodically for cleanliness and corrosion-free terminals. Poor contact or loose fitment of battery terminals may prevent the engine from starting, so be careful while fitting. Once in a while, coat the terminals with petroleum jelly to keep them corrosion-free. Your motorcycle is ready for the road. Keep riding!